Jeez, dude.
There's so many Orbeez.
It's raining Orbeez.
Oh my god.
On this episode of Novice Garage, we put all of these Orbeez in that tire. Welcome back to Novice Garage. All right, guys. So today, first off, credit for this idea goes to Brendan Sampley. Go give him a follow. Go get his pop tag right there.
Pop.
Yep. We got 1 million Orbeez in this box. I spent way too much money on this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna see what happens when you put Orbeez and water in a car tire. So obviously, as most of y'all probably know, whenever water touches Orbeez, they expand to like marble size. Like as you can see, guys, these things are pretty damn small.
All right, so the plan today is we're gonna take this valve stem off and we're gonna pour the Orbeez through the valve stem. Now we would take the tire off, but we don't have a tire machine, so we can't do that.
So we're working with what we got, as always, here on Novice Garage. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button with post notifications on so you don't miss any new bad idea videos. I don't know why, tire air always smells so bad. Oh yeah, dude, we can definitely put Orbeez in there. Let's get a test shot real quick.
We need a funnel.
Yeah, we are.
We can't do 1 million one by one.
It fits though, dude, it fits. All right, so we need to come up with some kind of funnel. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill 2 tires with Orbeez, top it off with water so they start expanding. By the end of this video, we're gonna see what happens when we do a burnout on Orbeez tires. Is that how you pronounce it, Orbeez tires?
Yeah, Orbeez tires.
It'll be really interesting, guys, to see how this plays out. So drop a comment right now. Do you think this is gonna work? Do you think we'll be able to drive on the tires?
I said you're gonna come out here after it rains and there's gonna be big little marble things all over your driveway.
Yep. Okay, so we're finding out that the act of getting all the Orbeez through the valve stem of the tire is gonna be pretty hard. It's not gonna go very fast. So we decided to go ahead and try and debead the tire. So basically take the tire off the rim, just that one spot. That way we could pour Orbeez in really fast and get this video rolling. But we're struggling taking that bead off, so we're gonna use the trusty old F350 to run over it, because this truck weighs like 7,000 freaking pounds.
And for everyone who doesn't know, Brendan for some reason is now shirtless.
Woo! There it goes. Woo! We're good. That worked. Good deal. That worked. Good job, Scott.
What are you saying? Can you put your shirt back on? You're distract all the viewers.
We're gonna get demonetized, bro.
It's gonna be your fault too.
I'm gonna blur out his fucking titties.
I should do that.
All right, guys, we're about to begin the ceremony, the Orbeez ceremony. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god.
There are so many.
That's the trick.
And down the hatch it goes. Okay, guys, we put 500,000 Orbeez in the car tire. That was really cool.
That was pretty cool. I like the colors of the Orbeez. I bet they're gonna fill it up pretty good.
Next step is add water and then hope it either rebeads or we're just gonna send it with no bead.
What the hell?
All right, Joe, let her rip. The water's going in the tire now.
Careful because it might spray back.
So on this episode of Mr. Beast, we have Orbeez.
Disclaimer, water in a car tire has been done before on YouTube, but it has not been done with Orbeez. So that's why
Who was
we're
it done
here.
by? Some
Life of OD. Oh, Jesus.
It's already full.
This is gonna hurt like a mother when that bead pops. Yeah. That actually scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, I got a little wet.
That's probably good. All right, so now guys, we're gonna let the tire sit, let the Orbeez, you know, get big, and then we're gonna do some burnouts.
Obviously, we can't show you guys the Orbeez inside the tire, but these are the ones that spilled out. They're already double in size. Easy. And that's been less than, like, what, 8 minutes?
Not even.
That's crazy.
5 minutes maybe.
I kind of want to eat one.
No.
Do it.
We're starting a trend, guys. F the Tide Pods. It's all about eating Orbeez now. Time for tire number 2. Skylar, you know what to do.
Round 2.
The truck's gonna break down if we keep doing this.
It's a Ford, man. Breakdown's not in its vocabulary.
Because it can't speak at all.
Bro, you gotta be ready to pour.
Not even just.
3, 2, 1.
My rainbow balls go quicker than yours.
All right, so we have 500,000 Orbeez in that tire. We're about to fill it up with water, but we don't really know how big the Orbeez are gonna get. So we're gonna take this water, pour it in at the same time so we can get a growth rate of Orbeez, an accurate growth rate.
As soon as I start putting water in the tire, as Brandon said, we're gonna put the water in this container to show you guys just how big the Orbeez are gonna get.
Yeah, and this is not a sponsor from Ozark, by the way.
Go. There we go.
So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna wait till these Orbeez get big in here, and then we're gonna throw the tires on the car.
All right, guys, we're back. Brandon, let's get an update.
So they're about this size right now. You can kind of see. Definitely a lot bigger than when we put them in.
Yeah, noticeable difference. So we also had another water bottle going. Joe, how full is it whenever you put it first?
They were at the first line. Oh God, I'm dropping them everywhere. They're the first line right here of just little beads, and I filled it all the way up with water. It took all the water, I filled up again, and like now they're huge.
I have a feeling this might work.
I think it's gonna work.
All right, guys, so we're out here at our test pad. We're about to put the ORBEEZ tires on. We're gonna see what happens.
Watch how they don't bounce at all.
You ready, Gabe?
Yeah, go for it.
This thing, you better be careful. It's gonna be dangerous.
All right,
It's a long drop.
all right. Good luck, buddy. Let's go ahead and get these tires on the car. All right, guys, the tires are on. How heavy were they, Skylar?
About 60 pounds, 70 pounds.
I feel literally no difference at all. Well, I think the real test will be the burnout, which is what all of y'all came here for. They're definitely not balanced.
I mean, tires haven't fallen off yet.
Yeah, Gabe's saying it was unbalanced, so.
I wonder why. What could possibly be unbalanced about those tires?
Yeah, man, it's really surprising. Like, you think all that added unsprung weight would make a difference in the drivability, but it really doesn't.
Oh, not really. It feels,
Yeah.
I mean, you don't even really feel it, honestly.
No. The only thing you do feel is obviously because there's so many Orbeez in there, they're not really balanced properly because we didn't balance the tires.
Oh yeah, no. These
So-
are not balanced.
Once you go above like 25 miles an hour, you start feeling that, you know, that vibrating, and would not recommend doing this on the highway, which we're not gonna do that.
No.
10,000 likes.
10,000 likes.
He's hauling ass. How is it?
It shakes like a mother.
Yeah, it's not very balanced.
No, no.
All right, guys, so now for the part you've all been waiting for. We're about to take these ORBEEZ tires. We're gonna go full send. We're gonna go till they pop.
We're gonna do some donuts around this cone.
Don't do this at home. We have a fire extinguisher. Where's the fire extinguisher at?
Somewhere.
Here we go. Donuts on ORBEEZ. How long do you think the tires are gonna last? Let's find out. I thought it was ORBEEZ spraying everywhere, but it's not. It means we gotta keep going, man.
We gotta keep going until these things pop.
Oh boy. Like, that's probably the ORBEEZ heating up or something. Like, it's literally gonna blow any second.
biodegradable, right?
They're what?
Biodegradable.
They're biodegradable.
So right now I'm cutting this tire open to see if there's any more Orbeez in here.
All right, guys, let's see what's inside the tire.
Hey, you know what, Gabe? I think we need to heat this knife up.
You think so?
Yes, sir.
There's still Orbeez in here, bro.
Safety first.
All right, Brennan, see what happens.
That is gonna smell horrible.
Oh my god, I should have glasses on for that.
I told you PPE.
Damn, dude. Oh my gosh.
All right, that's gotta be the...
Dude, that's insane. Look at that. Look at that.
That's full.
That's completely full of Orbeez. We filled this tire with Orbeez.
Yes, we did.
Jeez, dude.
There's so many Orbeez.
It's raining Orbeez. We should, oh my god. Maybe like more like an hour.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some lunch.
Yeah.
And we'll be back.
So we're gonna go get some. We're gonna go get some.
Dude, you're
We're gonna go get some goddamn food because we're hungry as hell. So we'll be back in about an hour and then we'll get this going.
You're
for
fat
you.
as f. Oh yeah.
He's thick with like 8 C's.
I don't know.